Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to the Chinese store to go get some Chinese food. Yeah, I've been waiting, or I don't feel like making any food really. So yeah, so I ordered some Chinese food, which is chicken lo mein and fried rice with broccoli. So I haven't eaten since this morning. It's almost 3:30, so I came to pick up my food. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. So let me show you. Yeah, so yeah, sometimes you just don't feel like making food. You just want to order out, and that's the way I feel about right now. So we're about to go and pick up this food, and yeah, let me show you. Okay. Hi. Picking up chicken lo mein with broccoli. Yeah. I put it right there. Can I have only dark sauce?
Okay. No soy sauce?
No. Thanks. So you all, I picked up my food now. I'm about to go now and go eat my food. I hope you guys are having a great day, and yeah, and staying safe at the same time. So I've been doing a lot of vlogging lately, and it seems like you guys are loving it. So I try to vlog, even if it's like 5 to 10 minutes vlog or something, you know. So yeah, Christmas is just couple days. Today's Monday, so couple days away. So yeah, I'm not really in the Christmas spirit, honestly. Like I don't want to say what am I trying to say? I'm not sad, but I'm not happy as well. Meaning, like, everything else is going on, like, it doesn't give me like that's Christmas spirits, you know what I mean? Like, you know, you ready to go to the store and purchase things, like, you're so happy. I mean, I went to the store and only picked up a couple of things for only my household, but not for somebody else. Usually, you know, I'm not in that mood, you know. I don't know, and it's just I'm not in that mood. Like I say, I'm not sad, but I'm not happy as well. So I'm like in between. So even my kids, my significant other got them you know, Christmas presents, and for me, I'm only gonna get them or give them, not even get them, because if I try to get them anything, it will be exactly the same thing that he got them. So what I'm planning on doing is just give them, you guys will see, I don't want to give it out here, so let's just do something you know, the other way around, instead of ordering things and doing all of that. Like, you know, they got clothes, they got too much clothes, so that's something like, you know, he got for them and stuff like that. So you guys, so I don't know if you guys are feeling the same way as me, but you know, I'm not sad, I'm not happy, but at the same time, like, you know, so I don't know. So yeah, you know, maybe next year, like the people I usually give gifts to, you know, maybe next year will be a better year, but this year, no, I'm not, you know, I'm not, you know, it's just, yeah, I'm gonna just stay in my corner. And yeah, even my kids, like I said, I didn't even do any shopping. He did. Not me, because I'm not in that spirit of doing so. So yeah, so you guys, yeah, so I'm gonna settle down and try to eat my you understand me, eat my my Chinese food and everything else. Yo, you know what I mean? So you guys, mask on. When are we gonna get rid of this? If you guys want to see my mask collection, let me know so I can do some of this. People, I have almost a bag of masks in my house. We shall pray for better solution. Okay? Like just in my car. Let me show you guys. I have 1 mask, 2 mask, 3 mask, 4 mask, plus the one I have, 5 mask, plus this one, 6 mask. Let me put this on. I don't think you guys have seen this mask. Yeah. Look at this. 6 mask is what I have in my car alone. Let me know if you want to see a collection of my mask, okay? And I think you guys will love them as well as me. So let me go and start eating my food, okay? So you guys, this is what I got from my main food. So I got the chicken lo mein and stuff. So it came with an egg roll. And I love the dark sauce here. Love it. So this is how it looks. Look at that. It looks so good. So this is how it looks right here. So this will be my dinner and lunch right here. Okay guys, so let's start the talking and munching and doing all of that, okay? So you guys, today we're switching it up from African food to Chinese food. My favorite sauce. I forgot to tell them to give me regular egg roll or vegetable egg roll. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take everything out of it, and you guys know if you watch my video. So I'm gonna take everything out of it. Oh, so it is plain that she gave me. Oh, she's smart, because I told her I don't want pork. Okay, well then she's smart. Because the girlfriend ready to empty everything out. So, look. I'm just gonna take, oh, shrimp came out, y'all. Look. The shrimp came out, okay. Alright. drinking my water with lemon and some ginger inside. So you all, I got this bottle from Dollar Tree here, as you can see. So it's a BPA free, and it's big, y'all, for $1. So I have my ginger and lemon in here. So yeah, so that will be my drink for this meal. So you guys, let me know if you like what you're seeing lately or what I've been doing on this channel. So I'm gonna be bringing my daughter in, and this hair, she did it. And I don't know if you guys remember the hair that I bought from Amazon from Wing Girls or Wing Girl. I think it's Wing Girl. Yeah, one of them. So she did this hair. She installed it. She even did my nails. So everything else. So I want to invite her, you know, to my channel. So yeah, you guys, and just show support. She's learning. She just came from cosmetology school, so trying to bring her more on my channel. This is so good. So you guys, they charged me $1 for the broccoli on top of here. It didn't come with the meal itself, so I had to pay $1 extra. It's good. Let me know what's your favorite Chinese food too. But lo mein and wonton soup is my favorite food out of Chinese food, all of it. You know, so even if you're on a diet, sometimes you just gotta let it go. Okay? It's just us now. Just eat. Stay safe. Sometimes the way the world is right now, you never know who's next. Okay? Just take it one day at a time. Don't rush it. Don't compete with anyone. Just take your own time and do what works for you in your own time. Okay? You are different. Okay? This is one of the non-greasy food around here. So I missed the lunch special. So I got the dinner meal. But it's so good. You gotta put the sauce there to give me that extra tingling flavor. Tingling flavor. Alright, you guys, so let me know what you think down below. I'm gonna eat some of this and save some for the evening. And yeah. Alright, you guys, so thank you guys for this vlog and for watching me eating. I'll see you guys on my next one. So yeah, I'll eat this later on because my stomach is kind of full now. So yes guys, thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye.